Now listen up. If you watch this video from beginning to the very end and you do not see how you can be able to start making 25,000 naira daily for yourself, then simply unfollow me right after watching this particular video. Now, the reason I'm so confident with this statement I just made right now is because I have people that are currently working with me right now that makes up to 25,000 naira every day for themselves just by doing what I'm about to share with you guys right now. That does not even require them having any special skill or experience. All it requires for you to be able to carry out this job I'm about to show you right now is for you to be a trustworthy person who is ready to work. Okay, so if you are ready to work right now, let's dive into this video and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about right now. But before we jump into today's video, if today is your first time of seeing me right here on YouTube, my name is Iyooh, and right here on this YouTube channel I share with my followers proven strategies that they can use to be able to start making money both online and offline. So if these are the kind of information that you love and you would like to stay updated with this type of information, ensure to go ahead right now to smash that subscribe button, like this video and click the bell notification icon so that once I drop new videos right here, YouTube will notify you. You will come ahead, be among the first people that will take advantage of that information to implement it and be among the first people that will benefit from that information. Okay, so let's quickly jump into today's video and get started immediately. Now, like I said earlier, that I already have people who are currently working with me who are already making money doing the exact stuff that I'm about to reveal to you guys right now so that you can use it to also start making money for yourself. So if you take a look right now, I am on my company's my job mag page. So this is actually where we used to go ahead to post jobs that we are looking to hire people from. So you can see right here that we do hire people like sales representatives, inventory manager, accountant, social media manager, and so on and so forth. Now, if you take a close look right here, now you will see this new job offer that we have right now that says personal delivery agent. Now, this is the opportunity that allows people to make up to 25,000 naira per day just for working for some of the companies like the one that I currently run right now. And I'm going to show you how easy this particular stuff is right now. So if we come over right here, you can be able to see like the key responsibility that the person needs to be able to do this job. So all you need to do is just to be able to pick up product and deliver customers orders using public transport. So you don't even need to have your own bike, or you don't even need to have your own car to be able to become a personal delivery agent for companies. And you can take a look at the requirement right here. You know, right here we said it must be in Lagos, but it all depends on wherever you are right now. You can find the companies that can hire you to do this for them, irrespective of the country or the city you are in right now. Because just like my own business, a lot of businesses need personal delivery agents all across the country, okay, or all across the state. So right there you can see all you need to do, you must have a smartphone because you need it for your communication and navigation to locate the customer. You know, prior delivery and dispatch experience and advantage, but it's not required. Like we stated it right here, you must be honest, disciplined and trustworthy with handling of goods and funds. You know, you need to have strong communication and customer service skills. Now, if you take a look at the compensation section right now, where we say that there is no fixed salary right here. Agents are paid per successful delivery. Okay, so more deliveries equals more earnings. Now, because I already have personal delivery agents working for me, I already know the amount of money these guys make. So if they are able to deliver 5 products in a day, these guys can make up to 25,000 naira for themselves, because for each delivery the least cost that they charge to be able to process that is 5,000 naira. So imagine when they were able to complete, like, let's say 5 deliveries, they are making 25,000 naira. Okay, and I know most you might thinking that, okay, this is actually not a way for you to be able to make money online. Now, if this is actually what you want, like you want to sit down on your home to make money, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that towards the end of this particular video. But this particular opportunity that I'm sharing with you guys right now is for people who will be willing to go out there and start helping companies to deliver orders. Now, here is how you can easily find these companies that you can start helping to become a personal delivery agent that delivers their products to make money for yourself. Now, all you simply have to do to find these companies that you can become their personal delivery agent to start delivering products for them and make money for yourself is to go over on Facebook, open up your Facebook right now and keep on scrolling down right now, okay? So if you keep on scrolling down, you are going to see this kind of post right here where they have sponsored. Now, most especially, it has to be a company that sells physical products to their audience or to their customers. So for example, right now you can see that this particular company right here is actually selling a detox tea to their customers, and if you go ahead, you can go ahead and read through how everything works right now, okay? Now, one thing you have to understand about these particular businesses is that they run what is called payment on delivery. So it's only when they deliver the product that they get paid, that the customer pays. Now, if you help them to deliver that product to those customers, once the customer pay, they are going to pay you your own delivery fee, okay? So if we scroll down right now, and let me show you where you have to see it right here, okay? Now, if a customer go ahead and order, let's say, one of these products right now, all this company has to do right now is to now contact you if you become their personal delivery agent, for you to go ahead and deliver that particular product to the customer if the customer is in your location. Now, if you are wondering how you can be able to contact these businesses, now most of these businesses you see right here always has their phone number right there. So you can see, call our customer care line right here. You can see they have their phone number. So all you simply have to do is to go ahead and send them a video pitch to their WhatsApp line, because most of the times this number you see right here is going to be a WhatsApp line. Send them a video pitch that you are willing to become a personal delivery agent for their company, helping them to deliver this product and every other product that they are all selling to their customers. Now, one thing that you have to understand about this particular stuff is that you have to ensure that you have a strong communication and customer service skills. So you have to be polite, professional, and reliable when you're actually sending them this video pitch, because this is going to prove to them that when they take you in as their personal delivery agent, you can be able to provide a better delivery experience to their customers, okay? And there are lots of companies like this. So if you just keep on scrolling your Facebook, you keep on seeing sponsored advertisement where people are trying to promote product or sell a product to a customer. Even if you take a look at the right side of my screen right now, you can see more of those advertisements right there, okay? So these are actually the companies that you are supposed to be targeting, okay? And like I said, I know the amount of money you can be able to make offering this kind of services to companies, simply because I also have my own company and I also have my own personal delivery agent that makes up to 25,000 naira in a day just by delivering products for us, okay? And if you're able to pitch yourself well to these companies, these guys are actually going to hire you, because we are always on the lookout for a better personal delivery agent that can help us to be able to deliver more of our product to our customers. Because of what, it's only when they deliver those products to customers that these customers now pays the company, because we are doing what we call payment on delivery right here in Nigeria and most of the other African companies. We also sell products in Ghana, in Kenya, in other parts of African countries, not only in Nigeria. So this will definitely work for you if you are living in any parts of African countries right now, okay? And you are somebody that can be able to do this. This will definitely work for you and help you to be able to start making good amount of money for yourself. Like if you are making 25,000 naira, or let's say even 20,000 naira every day, and you make it for 30 days, that's 600,000 naira, which is much money than most people earn on their current job right now, okay? So don't just see people that do those jobs as people that are broke, but know that there is a lot of money to be made in being a personal delivery agent for companies or businesses. And for those of you who are just interested on how they can be able to make money online and don't want to do any offline stuff, now I also have you guys covered, okay? Now the best platform that you can also use to go ahead and start making money online, even still right now that is 2025, is this platform known as legit.com. So as you can see right here, I've already have a total earning of over $34,000 right here on this particular platform from only 36 clients alone. And I've talked about this platform a lot, and I've enrolled a lot of people into this platform, and they are now making lots and lots of money for themselves while they work from the comfort of their home. But you have to know, for you to make money on this particular platform, you need to have skills and know some strategies and your way around, okay? So you need to know skills like how you can be able to do SEO, how you can do content writing, how you can do website design, how you can do video creation and editing, and so on and so forth, okay? So if you really want to go ahead on this platform to make money, in fact, the best way for you to be able to do that right now is to go over on this platform known as Skillshare. Now, I have a step-by-step video. You can see it right here that says legit freelancing, how to build your profile and start getting freelance job. Now, we have over 1,000 students that have taken this course, and this course is just 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now for you to be able to gain free access on this particular platform known as Skillshare, because this platform is actually a paid platform, but you can be able to get a 1-month free trial on this platform to go ahead and take this legit freelancing course that will teach you everything you need to know about the platform, the skills you can go ahead and start selling, how to learn those skills, and how to start getting clients. For you to be able to gain access to this particular course right now, all you have to do, go to the video description of this particular video. You will see a link that says the first 1,000 people will gain 1 month free access to Skillshare. Click on that particular link to go ahead and sign up on this particular Skillshare platform to take this course. So once you sign up, just go over right here and search legit. Okay, now you are going to see that my course right here. I'm the only person that have this legit freelancing course right here, because I am someone that have made a lot of money on this platform, and I understand what it takes to make money on this particular platform. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section of this particular video, and I will be there to respond to all you guys questions. Okay, and I'll also go ahead right now and attach a step-by-step video that will guide you guys how to sign up and claim the 1 month free trial on the Skillshare platform. Go ahead and see the video right now. Now, here is how you can be able to get a 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. The first thing you need to do is to go to the video description of this particular video, and you will see this link that says click here to get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now go ahead and click on that link. And once you click on that link right now, it's actually going to bring you over to this particular page where you will see Martin Iyooh is giving you 30 days free. Now you're going to see get 1 free month of Skillshare. Now right here, if you do not click on that particular link, now what you're going to be seeing right here is get 7 free days of Skillshare. But this is actually not what you want. You want to get the 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now once you have clicked on that link right now, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and click on continue with Google or continue with your email. But I'm going to be clicking on continue with Google. Now once you click on continue with Google, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and select the Google account you want to use to sign up on the Skillshare platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And right here, as you can see, thank you for signing up. And they are going to go ahead now and redirect you on where you need to go ahead and activate your 1 month free trial. And right here on this page, you will see start your 31-day free trials, no commitment, and cancel anytime. So Skillshare will require you to go ahead and select a payment method for you to be able to activate your account. Okay, but you don't need to worry about the charges at all, because Skillshare will not charge you until your 1 month free trial or 31 days free trial have expired. And also they will even send you a 7 days reminder before your trial ends, so that you can decide to cancel if you want to cancel your account. Okay, and when it comes to selecting your payment method, you can go ahead and select PayPal, or you can go ahead and add your card number right now. So you can use any of your local bank card right now, add it right here to activate your account. But if any of your local bank card is not working, now you need to get a virtual USD card. Now the platform that I advise you to get a card that will work for you is this particular platform right here known as GetPay. On this particular platform, you can be able to get USD virtual card you can use to sign up on Skillshare. Okay, so I already have a virtual card right here created on GetPay. It's very easy to create. I will put the link to create this particular account and this card down in the video description of this particular video. So right now, all I have to do right now is to go ahead and copy these card details that I have right here and add it right here on this particular Skillshare platform. Now the next thing you need to do is just to scroll down right here. You will see where they say how did you first hear about us. Now go ahead right now and select this YouTube influencer. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on this start your 31-day free trial. It will successfully sign you up on Skillshare. So right here it says what brings you to Skillshare. So you can go ahead and click on I want to learn a professional skill or build my business. Click on next. Right here, what are your most interested learning pathway? Just go ahead and select things you are interested in. And once you're done selecting all these things, go ahead and click on I am done right now. So it will go ahead and personalize your own page. So once you have landed right here, you have been able to successfully get the 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. So you can now go ahead right now and search for any classes that you want to watch, or the courses that I recommended for you guys right here in this particular video, and you can be able to gain access to that particular course free of charge. And remember that you have 31 days to watch any courses that you want to watch right here on the Skillshare platform without paying any money at all.